Hi everyone, I'm Bobo, a Garmin product trainer. Nowadays, there are many hybrid training events that combine running and functional fitness. For example, you might mix cardio running with ski erg sessions, sled pushes, sled pulls, burpee broad jumps, rowing, farmer's carry, sandbag lunges, and more. These are all common combinations used in hybrid training events. Now, let's use the Garmin Connect app to show you how to create a dedicated workout for hybrid training. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Select More, Training and Planning, Workouts, and then create a workout. Here's the key step. Choose Multisport. This activity type is supported on select models only. For unsupported models, we recommend using cardio to set up your workout plan. For leg 1, select Run. For leg 2, select Custom. If you have some extra time and want more detailed tracking, you might want to change leg 2 to HIIT. This allows you to set specific exercises later on. You can also check which muscle groups are worked after saving the workout. If you just want to track workout time, Custom is enough. Here, you can continue adding all the legs you need. Later, we'll also show you how to quickly duplicate legs. Tap Next at the top right and you'll see an overview. Here, you can customize each workout leg in detail. Enter the run leg. You can set the distance for each leg, like 1 kilometer or any distance you prefer. Set your intensity targets too, such as pace or heart rate zones. Once done, tap the back arrow at the top left. The estimated time will be calculated based on the targets you set. Then tap Done at the top right. For the custom leg, you'll see the duration field. If you're unsure how long this leg will last before the race, that's fine. Select Duration Type and choose Lap Button Press. Then tap back at the top left and Done at the top right. Next, tap Edit. You can quickly duplicate or reorder each leg. Repeat as many times as needed. We also recommend enabling transitions. Transitions usually occur between running or other exercises. It's the distance you cover when moving from one exercise's end to the next exercise's start. This is considered a transition. Enabling it allows you to include transition steps between exercises. Once everything is set, tap Save at the top right and enter a workout name. You can name it Hybrid Training. One crucial step: open the hybrid training you just created. Tap the Send to Device icon at the top right. Select your device and wait for the phone and watch to sync. Now you might be wondering, why not just set it up directly on the watch? You can. The watch allows you to customize multi-sport workouts directly. However, the watch can only support up to 5 legs. If your hybrid workout or event has more than 5 legs, you'll need to set it up in Garmin Connect app beforehand. Now let's check the workout we just created on the watch. Tap the top right to enter the Apps and Activities menu. Scroll down and find Workouts. Select My Workouts. You'll see the hybrid training you just created. Tap it to see all workout legs set in Garmin Connect app. Press the top right button. Here, you can turn transitions on or off. In addition, you can use Garmin Share to share the workout you've created. Press the top right button and select Share. Your friends will also need to open Garmin Share from their app menu to receive it. For smoother performance during your event and to get familiar with the steps, make sure to access the workout at least once before the race. This ensures you accurately track the time spent in each leg. Press the top right button and select Do Workout. If your workout or event is indoors, GPS signal is normally unavailable indoors. So, select Treadmill for running legs. For custom or HIIT legs, no changes are needed. Tap Continue. Now you'll enter the hybrid workout start screen. If transitions are enabled, the workflow will be: press Start, complete 1 kilometer of running, then press the lap button at the bottom right. You'll enter the transition phase. Reminder: after completing the transition, press the lap button again. The watch will then start recording the next leg. If transitions are off, after completing 1 kilometer of running, press the lap button at the bottom right, and it will go straight to the next leg. Once the workout is finished, don't forget to press the top right button and select Save. That concludes the steps for creating a hybrid training workout. Again, make sure to familiarize yourself with the watch controls before the race, so your event runs smoothly. For more information, please visit our official website or search Garmin to find more tutorial videos.